Hello, this is Julie Melly from Hannah, Montana. It's on holidayvillagemall.com, and today is Wednesday morning, September 12th, 2018. I just looking at the dead ViewMaster Projector. I got brought us on eBay. We got our was, and everything goes like this. Get to see how it works. Uh-oh. I killed it. Yeah, batteries are dying. I'll just worry about that. I know of you! See? The projector is killed on us. I'll get some more batteries on it for Andrea for later today, okay? So, let me bring it to me, okay? I'll get some more batteries, okay? Nice, sweetie. Here. Come on, sweetie. Oh, for goodness sakes. And so for now, this is Julie Melly sign off on July. Make me goofball. So for now, this is Julie Melly sign off on September 12th, 2018. So I'll be here to make some more videos, but next week I hope you guys for our next video. So goodbye.